Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make a logo have a transparent background in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So from here, just click design site, and the website editor will automatically open in a new tab. I already have my tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website. So for example, I want to add a logo. So we can just go to add elements and then click on image, and then we can click custom logo right here if you want to create our own logo right here in Wix. So just click add logo, and then from here, since I already have my logo created right here, I can just go to logo design, and then in order to make the background transparent, we just need to turn off this option. So just turn off logo background, and as you can see, the custom logo now has a transparent background right here in Wix. So you can just go ahead and create your own logo right here in the Wix website editor. So you can go here to the dashboard, and then you can design your logo to however you want, and then you can see templates right here. And then if you already have your logo as an image, what you can do is that you can just upload that image. So for example, I'll delete this logo, and then I can just go to add elements, go to image, go to upload and import, and then go to upload images. So from here, you can just drag and drop files, or you can just click upload from computer, and it will automatically open your file explorer. So from here, for example, I want to use this image as a logo. So I can just click on it and then click open, and then it will be uploaded right here. And then now the image has now been uploaded to our dashboard right here. And then what we can do to remove the background is that we can click adjust. Then from here, click cut out, and then click auto cut out. So this will automatically remove the background from our image right here. And then we can also refine the cutout to see if we want to remove the other parts of the image manually. So you can just zoom in, and then for example, we can still see some blue parts right here. So I'll just adjust the size of the brush so that this part will be removed as well. So you can just do this to all of your logo right here. And then I'm sorry, I was using the restore option. So we just need to cancel this, click refine cut out, and then click erase. So from here, just do the same thing, and then just erase the other parts of the logo. So it should have a red color right here. And then once you're done, just click apply so that our logo now has a transparent background, and then click save. And then now we have our image of the logo with a transparent background. So we can just add this to our website, and then now we have our image right here that can act as our logo since it has a transparent background. So if you want to use another platform, you can just go to another tab and then go to remove that BG. So from here, you can just upload an image right here, and then it will automatically remove the background for you. So it is just similar to what we have done right here in our Wix website editor. It's just that it's from another platform. So if you don't want to use the editor right here in Wix website, but that is basically it. So that is how we can make a logo have a transparent background in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.